Ladies and gents, come check this out. This is the first time video we are recording at the backside shop, and I made the shop introduction video a little bit before that. I talked a little bit about this as well, but this time I want to spend extra 5 to 10 minutes with you guys before it's gonna get dark and give a quick shout out on the heavyweights of a shop here at Garage Defend JDM Global. Ladies and gents, check out this stuff. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. So our shop at the backside of JDM Global Locator, we have a little river, or not river, what do you call it? Like a yeah, the kawa. How do you say that in English? The kawa. Yeah, kawa. Anyways, kawa thing going through a lot of water, you know what I mean? That's why we have those things coming out here, attack us and stuff like that. It's just shitty sometimes, but it is what it is. We love our shop, ladies and gents. We love it here so much, especially after all the restorations that we are doing here. Right, Zafar? Yep. All right, with that being said, we're gonna talk about today a little bit more details in the heavyweights of a shop. And it's not gonna be with this, but with that one right over there. Ladies and gents, we have spent so much time and energy building a special GT-R R34, which we usually don't keep it right here. We keep it indoor all the time because we are doing some shop renovations. We took it out, covered up a little bit. But in this video, I'm gonna quick shout out for you guys. So this is a beautiful GT-R R34 V-Spec 2. Comes with a full aero, Nismo intercooler, and everything else that you can think about, except for the bonnet, because V-Spec 2s come with special bonnets. It's called Carbon V-Spec 2 bonnet. This bonnet used to be 3 times more expensive than Nismo R-Tune bonnet that everybody wants these days, and they become really expensive over time. But now, again, this car, V-Spec 2, has a special story behind it. I can't open it up too much, but we have built this car special for our client from Cambodia. Very special friend, very special client who have bought a number of GTRs from us, GTTs as well, to Cambodia. And this car is gonna be delivered pretty soon. Guys, take a look at the headlights. I have received so many inquiries about this particular car's headlights saying, Dastan, can you help me find this particular headlight? It looks so awesome, especially when you turn on the lights. This is aftermarket headlights done by a special shop in Japan, which I'm not gonna be able to give you the details here. If you're interested in getting those headlights, maybe you might wanna reach out to us privately and we can get it done. But this thing is gonna look really, really awesome. So super excited to have it delivered to Cambodia. If the time allows to us, we will be making one special movie about that, so stay tuned. Another heavyweight of a shop is Midnight Purple 3 GT-R R34 V-Spec. Only 136 units ever made out of this beautiful GT-R R34 V-Spec. And this car belongs to Alex, who has been storing the car with us for about 3 years already right now. And we'll be storing it until next year in 2025. As you guys understand, Midnight Purple 3 GT-R R34 is manufactured from early 2000s. And that's why they're going to become USA import legal from early 2025. As we record this video in May 2024, we still have about 9 months before this car becomes USA import legal and delivered to its owner. Second heavyweight we have is something of an extraordinary. I told the owner that I won't get into the details of this car too much, as we have already sold it out. Before this car is gonna be out there delivered and the owner starts talking about that, then we'll be posting a special movie about it, which deserves in itself, because we spent 3.5, 4 years of sweat building this. And this thing is extraordinarily special. From selecting the right car, getting the right works done, we have done so much on this car. This has been full of sweat right there, and super proud of it. If you would like to know more about this car, stay tuned on our channel. In about a month or 2 from now, we will be posting a special movie on it. In itself, it's gonna get into the details. It's gonna be really, really awesome. Finally, take a look at this car. I'm saying finally because we have so many other cars as well that I like to talk about, which I will do in this video, as long as it doesn't get dark. Is this beautiful AR2 Active Red GT-R R34 V-Spec. This is also extremely rare color. As you understand, lightning yellow or EV1 color is the rarest. V-Spec edition, we have 2 of them at our shop. Only 44 units ever made. And second rarest color is this one. If I'm not mistaken, correct me if I did in the comments, ladies and gents. Only 56 units in V-Spec edition made, AR2, Active Red, right Zafar? What do you think? around that units. Extraordinary rare. Believe it or not, we have had at least like 8 to 10 of them. So it's like 10% of those cars that gone through our shop, believe it or not. That's why we dominate the industry in Japan, ladies and gents. You know what I mean? We're the top. This car has a special history of it itself. My friend John from the United States have purchased this car 2 years ago. And John's case is such a special. When the Midnight Purple 2 GT-R R34 V-Specs become USA import legal, John was one of the first people who purchased the Midnight Purple 2 GT-R R34 I shipped to the United States to Trap Team in Florida. He ended up buying that car. He totally fell in love with it. And that was in year 2020, right, John? I know you're watching this movie because I'm gonna send you the link as we are talking about your car. John buys his Midnight Purple 2, absolutely falls in love with it. I remember the day, John, you were calling me, you're like, Distan, should I buy this car or not? And I'm like, bro, you know, it's a lot of money, you know what I mean? He spent so much money saying, okay, this is my dream car, I want to get it. He buys it, he totally falls in love with it. He buys another 2 after, black and silver GT-R R34 V-Specs. They are both really awesome cars. And finally, to complete his collection, he reached out to me, hey, let's work out something on finding a AR2 Active Red GT-R R34 V-Spec. I love the red color, particularly Active Red looking really, really awesome on the cars. So to sum up the story, we find this beautiful Active Red GT-R R34. I think it was one owner. Of course, rust-free, accident-free, absolutely stunning color. I mean, condition. We find that car, and John tells me, hey, Dustan, we gotta make sure that the car is gonna come with a full Nismo aero. So we work out a deal with John, and then we start doing our magic, of course. Installed up the R-Tune bonnet. I was just telling you guys about R-Tune bonnet. Nismo bumper, of course, Z-Tune bumper, and of course, Z-Tune fenders. Car also comes with the fender covers, side skirts, rear skirts, and of course the carbon spoiler blade or spoiler flap, whatever you want to call it. And finally, of course, she comes with front diffuser as well, which is carbon, ladies and gents. And this car is absolutely looking stunningly beautiful. One thing missing on your car, John, is of course the Nismo intercooler with the Nismo intercooler pipings. There are 2 different types of pipings. One is genuine pipings that Nismo sells, and there is another one that Omori factory sells only for special people, and that is carbon, just like the Z-Tunes or Nismo CRSs come. Carbon, full carbon intercooler pipings. We have a few set. If you're interested, reach out to me privately, which we will provide for the information after. And John, my friend, that's exactly what's missing on your GT-R R34 to make it complete. Intercooler and piping. John is such a fabulous guy, such a fabulous friend. He's been called, I don't think anybody in the United States has as many GT-R R34s and all of his GT-R R34 V-Spec edition too as he has, in different colors. And I'm pretty sure John you're gonna continue giving some love and care, doing further upgrades on this beautiful beast. And anywhere you take it, I guarantee you this, everybody in the United States is gonna be blown out by the look of this car. I've been telling John, you better do some detailing and coating once the car is delivered to the United States, and she's gonna open up even more. And I'm excited to see some actually show photos and videos of your car once you start taking out there. Anyways, with that being said, let's take a look at this car. John, my friend, this is another John. This is John Shawn, right? Hey John, how you doing? Hope you're watching this movie. This is John's Bayside Blue GT-R R34. John is such a great fan of Skyline GTRs. When the GT-R R33s become USA import legal starting from 2018, or was it 2020? Right, 2020, sorry about that, ladies and gents. He bought his silver GT-R R33. He totally loves it, falls in love, and his dream always been to get in touch and get his dream GT-R R34. Long story short, a year and a half ago, he comes down to Japan, visits our shop. At that time, this beautiful GT-R R34 was available for sale, and he seals a deal with us. We got him black Nismo LM-GT4s as well as the cluster, Nismo cluster, which we will be installing up on his car pretty soon. And this car's story deserves in itself a special movie because my friend John right here, ladies and gents, is going to completely overhaul up the car. This is prior look afterlook, he will be doing some special one-of-its-kind upgrades. Full Nismo aero, you know? The V-spec diffusers and front and rear and wheels and tires and interior and engine compartment, everything is gonna be refreshed. And he wants to make sure that his car is gonna be one of its kind in the United States when he imports it. And this car is gonna become USA imported in September 2024, which is about 4 or 5 months away from now. And in November in Austin, Texas, he is about to take his GT-R R34 for a special JDM festival. I keep forgetting the name of that festival, but anyways, you guys let me know in the comments below. But this car is gonna completely get changed. And John, I can't wait to see the videos and photos once you take out your car to the show. I'm super excited, as always. And with that being said, ladies and gents, take a look at some of the other cars that we have here. Bayside Blue V-Spec, we just made a video about the car, available for sale. We got white one, we have purple one, we have other black one, many other GT-R R34s available for sale if you're in the market for those legends. So as for Nissan Skyline 34 GTTs, we have so many of them available for sale. Starts with black, white, yellow, silver, red, 3 of them, right? We got everything that you want, man. Feel free to reach out to us if you are in the market for one. Check out this one as well. Very special GT-R 34. And let me stress this, ladies and gents, we usually don't put out the cars, particularly GT-R 34s outside, because we are doing some renovations at our shop. We had to move them. As you guys can see that even this asphalt is freshly been done. It looks beautiful. And by the way, this is the first time or second time maybe we are giving a shout out for our secret warehouse right here. We have another secret warehouse, way a lot bigger than here, but for that, we're gonna keep a secret. This is not secret anymore. So, another beautiful GT-R 34. Watch this. It's like a lady, I mean, pulling up her legs right there. Oh my goodness! Take a look at this. This is super special color. KV2, if I'm not mistaken. Silver color. GT-R 34 V-Spec 999 available for sale. We have not posted it for sale anywhere yet, but within the next couple of weeks, we will be posting it for sale. Extraordinarily special clean car. Comes with lots of Nismo upgrades, including, as you guys can see, that Nismo front bumper, side skirts, rear skirts, fender covers, and probably fenders are stock, not Nismo. Yeah, that's right. Of course, clusters and tower bars and many other Nismo upgrades she's got as well, available for sale at our shop. Take a look at it, man. You guys tell me, yeah? Is your favorite color for GT-R 34s special silver KV2 color? Or white color, elegant white? Or this one is Tommy Kaira. Shit. Midnight Purple 3, Pearl Black, AR2, Active Red, Bayside Blue, or yellow for that matter. We have a special yellow, very rare color GT-R 34s as well at our other storage lot. Any color you name it, Millennium Jade or whatever, we have all of them. All of the color GT-R 34s, which I'm proud to say that. We have special mines coming up, mines complete in Midnight Purple, in Bayside Blue, and special stuff. We have CRSs coming, number of them over the next couple of years. We have one of its kind, one of one colors coming. And if the time allows over time, I'll be making special shout out movies specifically for you guys if I get the time. A lot of cars coming and going in our shop, and we've been so busy on this stuff probably. That's why we haven't been able to record a lot of stuff. Anyways, but I'll do my best when the special car comes to give you guys a shout out. And we have other actually Midori projects coming up as well. We are working with Garage Yoshida, restoring a lot of cars. You guys get to see that, man. That's turning out to be absolutely beautiful, man. Yoshida is a legend. He does such an awesome jobs. I was there last month with him, or 2 months ago was last month, but we have to visit this month as well. And Zafar was there last month as well, for sure, right? Getting us some updates and stuff like that. So special stuff coming up, you know. Yoshida restores a car, Mines builds it for us, right? And Midori builds it for us, right? You guys know Midori, Seibi Center, they are the top. And of course, Nismo builds it for us. But Nismo does not actually accept projects from anybody else. Anything you want to do with Nismo, they are like, we gotta do it in-house. Right now, we are getting a number of Nismo CRSs done with them in Millennium Jade color and one secret color and purple color, 2 of them. Very special stuff happening. But one problem Nismo has right now is we are out of N1 blocks. And N1 blocks basically not being made right now at Nissan as well. So he can't build the engines. That's the problem that Nismo factory chief was telling me. And I'm like, Chief, I got like about 2 Nismo in one blocks, brand new in the box. Why don't we deliver one of them or 2 of them so that we can speed up the project? And he's like, Dastan, I'm sorry, as our policy at Nismo, we are not allowed to accept any products or parts once it leaves from the factory. We can't bring it back, although it's brand new still, right? So they have to use in-the-house products, and as you guys can see, I understand Nismo being the legend they are really tough to work with, I tell you what. They have to get everything in the house by themselves. You want to completely restore the car, fix the car, build the car, do whatever you want, Nismo as a policy, you have to do it in the house if you want them to do that. You can't be like, oh, Garage Yoshida is going to restore the car, we bring it to you, you build it up for us. They don't do that. They don't let us do that. They want to do everything themselves. Of course, if you want to get a maybe engine installed, you got to wait for 3 years, pay up front, and you might be able to get to do that. But I'm talking about the CRS style level restorations and works and stuff like that. If it comes to CRS project, we dominate that as well. We have every year 1 CRS coming from them, and Nismo has capacity to manufacture about 2 to 3, maybe 4 if they really push it, but one of them coming to us here, you know what I mean? I'll be making about another special one pretty soon in about a month or 2 and posting on YouTube. Stay tuned, and another one will be coming at the end of this year as well, which is for this year it means 2, not just 1. Super exciting, isn't it, Zafar? Yep. Yeah, so anyways, a lot of stuff going on at our shop. This is just the backside shop. We are doing a lot of restorations in the front shop. We have the asphalt done, exterior done. Right now the work has been started on the interior side of the shop, which is going to be super exciting. Doing a lot of restorations in the front shop. We got the asphalt done, of course. Exterior is done. This shop used to be a little, you know, clumsy, maybe it was silver. We had a little accent over there as well. Now it's been completely restored. I love that GT-R logo. Can you guys see that? JDM logo has also been done. This is JDM Global backside office where we take care of the international stuff, as you guys understand. And of course, we have the front shop, Garage Defend, and Body Works, and Defend Racing Services, and indoor lots, and everything else as well. But anyways, ladies and gents, this was a quick update for you guys for some of the heavyweights we got out there keeping in the shop. If the time allows, and probably one of them, I will get to make a special movie for you guys, as I said, later on, is in about a month or 2. But with that being said, it's with you today, been Dastan from Garage Defend, JDM Global here in Japan, and thank you so much for always following us, and just leave me some comments, just let me know what you guys think. We are recording this movie in probably 20 minutes, really fast, as you guys can see that, you know, before it gets dark. And I thank you, we thank you always for following us, taking your time to watch us, and being our treasured members of this community, JDM Global Garage Defend community. Thank you very much, ladies and gents. Look forward to see you guys in Japan if you visit us anytime, or look forward to hearing from you guys if you guys have anything you want to clarify or ask questions, and especially if you guys are in the market for special JDM sports cars. Thank you, and have a fabulous day. Cheers. Bye.